Hello guys, myself Samriti Tripathi, and today in this video I will explain you about habitat of human beings and also of animals. So let's start our video. So what is the habitat and why habitat is important for us? Habitat is a thing where the surrounding is perfect for us. Like now I am standing in a school. So I like this school and I love its habitat because now the surrounding is very nice and clean, and there is no any dust here, and also the birds are singing. So these surrounding I like the surrounding. If this I like peaceful. So if I will go in the peaceful places, then I love there because I love peaceful. So that is dependent on your mind that what you love. So that I love this zone. So this is called the habitat zone. Habitat means where we want to live. We in which condition we want to live. This is called the habitat. Now what now what are the habitat of the humans? Every human have another different each other habitats. Like take example of me and my other person. I love in the peaceful area, but he do not love peaceful area because his mind cannot come into the peaceful area because he do not know the singing of the birds. He do not know the cleanness of the ground or any other else. So this is called the habitat. Now, but there is one twist. In animals' habitat, there is another habitat from each other. Habitat is also dependent on our eating systems. So first I will explain you that what animals eat. You know that our animals, there are many types of animals. Some animals eat meat, some animals eat trees, some animals eat any other food else. So the animals are divided into the 5 groups. First is carnivorous, second is omnivorous, third is herbivorous, fourth is scavengers. So these 4 types are divided into the animals. So what are these 4 types of animals? First is omnivorous. Omnivorous is the animals that eat both meat and also they eat tree. Means they eat also plants and herbs and also they eat meat. So this is called the omnivorous. Next is carnivorous. What is carnivorous? Carnivorous, the animals only eat meat, like tiger, lion. They only eat meat and they do not eat plant. Only they eat meat. And next is herbivorous. Herbivorous eat only plants, trees, and bushes. They only like to eat green things like plants and trees. So now next is scavengers. So scavengers is that animals that eat dead body meats. When any of the dead body is left or there is kept, then they will go and eat them. So these are the 4 types of different kind of habitat of the animals. First is omnivorous. They eat both food and they eat both trees and plants. Second is carnivorous. Carnivorous only eat meat. Third is herbivorous. They only eat trees and leaves. And fourth is scavengers. They eat the meat of dead bodies. So these was the 4 types of eating habits of the animals. Now if we will comparison the animal eating to our, then scavengers anyone do not eat. But omnivorous, herbivorous and the carnivorous are comparison to us because animals we also eat meat and animals also eat meat, and we also eat food. We also get food from the plants and trees, and many people also eat trees and fruits. They eat the neem leaf or tulsi leaves, etc. And also they take fruits from the trees and they eat. So So the trees also have the part of the fruit. So if we are eating a part of the fruit, then we are also herbivores. And next is carnivorous. Some people also like to eat chickens, hens, or fishes, etc. So these all things are meat, and these meat are included in the carnivores. And next, last is omnivorous. Omnivorous means we eat both. Some people also eat both things. Like they also eat meat, but sometimes they eat meat, sometimes they eat sometimes they eat plants. So this is comparison from the animals and ours. So if you will see in the animals comparison us, animals eat different type of food, we also eat different type of food, but the habitat is equal. The habitat is not equal, so the surrounding will be also equal. Like they love to like lions and tigers love in the peaceful area, and also they want to be in the sunlight because they love sunlight and they want to be in sunlight. But we do not like to live in sunlight because it will be so hot. So we do not love to we do not love to like in the sunlight. But the habitat, if you will match, then the habitat is equal, because we are also standing there and the lion is also the lion is there. So habitat is same, but our thinking is not same. So this is the creating problem. But I am not saying that you are creating problem. I am telling that you should want a peaceful area. So peaceful will achieve success, because it helps to achieve success. If you do not know that how to achieve success, then please go in my channel and see 6 morning habits. It will show you that what habits we should do in the morning that will give you success in your life. So this was my today's video. If you like my video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video for new and interesting videos. Thank you.